Yes, so we completed. We did special characters, right? Coding mask. We did define the special characters. Then we did the user status, status profile. There are two types of status: standard status and user status, right?
So system status we don't kind of configuration, but user status we can
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Big project profile.
I'm sorry.
Project profile.
Okay. Okay.
T code OPSA. OPSA. So basic.
Hello, your voice is breaking.
Basically, yeah. Is it okay right now?
Yeah, it was breaking. I couldn't hear you earlier. It is. I just heard only basic.
Okay. Hello, Rupal. Right now it is okay?
Yes. Yeah, it is okay.
Okay. So project contains all the default values parameter for which is going to be used in processing of the all important parameter contains to the project profile. For example, like settlement profile, network profile, all these kind of configurations is linked to the help of this project profile.
Nikhil, your voice is breaking. Yeah. Like I heard settlement profile after that.
One second. Actually, here now there is little rainy season is going on, so that's why from the morning. Yeah, Rupal, is it comfortable right now?
Yes. Now it is good.
So, okay. So basically, project profile we use for the creation of the project parameters and default values is contained with the project profile. Okay. So just go to the. So first of all, open any project profile or create on new project, new entries. Click on new entries. Okay, see here you can here just assign the name of the project profile. Any you can use alphanumeric numbers. Yeah. Assignment element, only one root, change document, and project summary master data. You can see.
No. Your voice is breaking. I couldn't hear. What did you say?
1 second. Let me work first. No? Give me 2 minutes only.
Okay.
Okay. So open that. So you can see these the right hand side all account assignment elements. There is a option available.
Yes. This is organization.
Just below the control. Below the controlling.
Below the
controlling tab, there is a there is a tick box on the right hand side. There is a tick box option.
Controlling.
The boxes over here, na? Just click on that. Don't click on the controlling. Just go to the first page, first tab. Yeah. See here, right hand side. Don't click any one tab. You can see the right side. Select, just select that all each one. Yeah.
Okay.
Select that. And try to save.
Just save it.
Yeah, save it and open it again. So don't, Rupal.
Yes, because your voice is breaking. I cannot hear you properly. I don't know what is happening.
1 second, Rupal, 1 second. Let me change the post. Just give me 1 minute only.
Okay, I am here in this status project profile.
Yeah. So level of details just mentioned over 9.
Label of details. After label of details, I couldn't hear you.
Level of details you can see over there. You have to fill over there.
Okay.
9. Just fill over there 9.
Level of details. Okay.
And select each one. Select that each one. Meaning transfer to the project definition now. Just don't touch over there and select each one.
What do you mean by all account asset element? This one too? No.
No, automatic. Transfer to the project now. Don't select that. You can see transfer to the project definition. The third point. Don't select that.
Okay.
Okay. So here, you can see the project stock tab. Project stock.
Project stock. Yes.
Yeah. So why basically we use this tab now? Sometime suppose any project is created and against that project some like organization use plant and under the plant they use storage location. So that storage location is basically used for the inventory purpose, for the stocking of the material and the stocking of the things. So sometimes we use that, sometimes don't use it. So we use the over there the evaluated stock. Okay. So here is the substitution and validation. There is no profile we created, so we are not going to assign any type. Project type, we are not created it. Field WS key, version profile, simulation profile, we didn't create it yet. So we are not going to assign over there. We can assign the standard one like that. Go to the project type. Yeah. So there is an option to select the SA, na? But that is
yes, only one option. Yeah, that is the only one option.
We have to assign our okay.
Yeah, Nikhil, what did you say? Assign? I couldn't hear earlier.
Now go to the organization tab. See here we need to assign the controlling area, company code, business area, plant, functional area, profit center. If we are using only one controlling area, so we can assign over here. If we are using only one company code, we can assign over here. Otherwise, no need to fill any data over here. While creating the project, it will fetch directly from here. So manually we can assign also while creating the W project. Okay, but if there is only one company code or only one structure is there, we can assign.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have only one.
Fill all the details, Supal. Fill all the details.
Yeah, I
We will
don't have
change after
business
that.
area.
No?
Yeah, I don't have
Hello, Rupal.
business area. Hello?
Assign the business area. Go to the drill down.
Yes, okay.
Check business area 005. So remember, this is the standard one. We have to create it again. Okay.
Okay, and there is no plant. I haven't assigned. I will do it like in this weekend. I'm going to complete all the configuration for this company code.
Okay. So go to the third page. So here we need to assign the scheduling profile. Scheduling profile, as I explained you, it is nothing but this is the basically used for the scheduling, time scheduling. So when we create, no option is there. There is no scheduling profile in
Yeah.
this one. Okay. So scheduling you want with activity or without activity. If you want with activities like the scheduling for the network for the WBS, so that scheduling point is directly taken from here. If you select this with activities, if you don't, then you have to manually assign for the activity also. Okay. Factory
Okay.
time unit. Factory calendar basically what every country has their own factory calendar. Okay. Some countries follow January like the physical year. Some country follow the financial year March to April to March, and some country follow the January to December. Okay, and they have their own weekends, their own uh, so they're on weekends, they're on weekdays. So according to that, we have to select for which company code and for which country you are going to make the install projects. It's according to you. You have to assign the factory calendar here. So right now we are making for the India only. Okay. So just over there, factory calendar. Go to the factory calendar. Select according to your requirement also, or according to the Indian. Select India.
Where is India?
Go to that binocular option now.
There you go.
Okay. And the time unit will be day. Okay. Go to the time. Okay. So here no network profile yet. So we are not going to assign the network profile. Okay.
Okay.
And the planning method, planning profile is not created. So we are not going to assign. While we create that, we will assign that. Okay.
Okay.
Come down. See here planning project planning board, we have to create that, and the hierarchical graphic profile, we have to create that. So don't assign anything else. Go to the next tab. Go to the next tab. Controlling. See, in controlling, nothing but we have to assign the object class. That what is the nature of the projects. Okay, is it related to the go to there? There is a standard one. So there will be some kind of project, like suppose a cost project, like a construction project, only that is made for the investment. So we are going to
Mm-hmm.
construct, going to spend some money against that, but we are not getting any revenues. Okay. So basically that kind of project is known as overhead. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And sometimes some project is like construction, we are building some building, but initially we are not going to sell that. Once it is completed after certain time of period, it is going to provide us the revenues after some time of period. So that will become a investment. Okay.
Okay.
So like earning and sales, when we are selling something and we are creating something and selling that and getting some profit and revenues, that's kind of project will create comes under the earning
Sales. Okay.
and production server. Production, you have the already idea like what is the production server. Suppose in our plant we are producing any material, any goods, semi finished or
Uh-huh.
finished, that comes under the production. Okay. So basically
Okay.
production projects also known as the customer project, just because we are selling something. Okay. So that comes under the customer project, and
Production.
construction project basically comes under the investment project, just because we are making one buildings, and after certain time of period the price of that building and the price of the separate area of that building got increased, so that will become an investment. Okay.
Okay.
So we, and you can, if you want, you can create your own object class. Okay. So select anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now see, planning profile and budget profile. As I already told you, we didn't create it. We need to create that,
Yes.
and we need to in that. So just keep it blank. Here, period end closing. Period end closing, like suppose month end closing and year end closing is there. So costing sheet, overhead keys, interest profile, investment profile, result analysis, settlement. As I explained you, what is the settlement profile? We all need to assign over here, but we are not
Mm-hmm.
created anything yet, so we are not going to assign any profile over here. Once we created, we will assign. So just save this and open CJ20N.
Mm-hmm.
Open CJ20N, go to the create project. Don't do that.
Okay.
So check only profile. Is there your profile, project profile you created coming over there or not?
Yes.
It is coming.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. So we need to assign the definition name. Assign the project definition name.
It says the start value and finish value.
Cancel it. Cancel it. This is used for once week you created. Suppose you created more than 50 products. Sorry, projects. More than 100 projects under one server. So is it possible to remember what project last we created? We need to assign each and every time we need to assign the project definition name now. For that we need the previous one, like last project what we created. So is it difficult? It is a little bit difficult to remember that. So this is why that tab is coming. So you can assign
Oh,
any one of the name now. So it will show you the next open number. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
create the first one first now. So create first. Do you remember the exact? Oh, we are not scheduling.
WBS.
No, 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 scheduling profile. We are not. Okay, let's create the scheduling profile. Just do one thing. Cancel it and open OPTQ. Go to the new one. One second. Assign that. So scheduling type, you have to select the scheduling type. 1 second. There will be option backward and forward. So
Mm-hmm.
assign backward, like it will allow you to schedule the time from the backward also. Like forward, we can do that. Schedule the backward. Always use backward, na.
Okay. Okay. Start in past.
Start in past. How much day, like you suppose you started one project and you want to submit the data like in past, so as like assign the 5 months back, so you can make the transaction once you have created the project right now, not today only, so you can make the
Mm-hmm.
change, made the entry, made the budget and plan like in last 5 months back, so assign the 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
Now come down. Okay, you have to select that scheduling method. So in the scheduling method, just select WBS determines dates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the reduction maximum reduction level 6. Assign maximum reduction level 6.
What is
And
that?
I will explain you later while creating
Okay,
the
sure.
while
Mm-hmm.
using that. I will explain you. And schedule. Just click on that. Adjust basic date.
Adjust basic date.
Click click on that.
I have to adjust basic dates.
No, 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 no. Where? In the scheduling method, na, just go to the below scheduling method. There is two boxes there, three boxes there. So out of three box, you have to select for first one.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Okay, just save it.
Mm-hmm.
Save it and go to the C20M. Now try to create the project. Now assign the scheduling profile. Rupal,
Mm-hmm.
parallelly do one more thing. Open one new tab. Open one new tab.
Yes.
OPSA, OPSA project profile. OPSA project profile. T code OPSA.
Mm-hmm. I'm there.
Open that. Open the project profile you created. Now open that.
Uh-huh.
Go to the scheduling profile, planning, and the third tab. So WBS scheduling profile is there.
Uh-huh.
Click over there and assign that. Assign that.
It's not going to ask, it's going to be default on my project now.
Exactly. Save it. So like that, each and every configuration we are going to create and we are going to assign to our project profile. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now go to CJ20N.
Do you want to save it and do you want to restart again?
Restart it.
Okay, yes, now it is there. It didn't ask me. System status CRTD.
See, Rupal, here you can see in the organization tab.
Organization tab.
Yeah.
Yes, here, this one.
So whatever the details you feel over there, na, that is fetching directly over here. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So you can feel there, na, controlling area company code. So while
Yeah,
creating,
already.
so it is fetching over here. Parallelly, we can change it manually. So go to the drill
Okay.
down of business area. Try to change the company code. Go to the company code. Click on the company code column. So select the drill down. Parallelly, if you want, you can change.
Change it. Okay.
So suppose for your project, they are using more than one company code, and for each company code, they want to use project system. So there is to create the separate project profile for the all company code. You need to create only one project profile, and you have to assign that tab, company code tab, to fill manually. So they will use
Okay.
same project profile against their all company code. Okay. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes, yes, I got it.
So basically, what a new consultant do na, they will create a separate project profile for the each company code. That is very lengthy task. And if you make
Okay,
it
okay,
optional,
okay.
you make it optional company code, then only you have to change the company code, and only you have to change the business area, only you have to change the plant, only you have to change the controlling area. Means whatever the organizational structure against your production server there is, from the finance side,
Uh-huh.
from the MM side, you can use that. There is no requirement to create a separate project profile for each company code. And if
Okay.
you want, you can do that also. You can create a separate project profile. If you want to prove that like I did a very heavy work for you, then you can create more than 2 to 3 project profile.
Okay.
Okay. So create one WBS elements, same as the name of project definition. Okay, don't do that. You understand now? And just
Yes, I
say
understood.
release that project.
How do I release?
Go to top edit.
Edit. Okay.
Go to the top edit in the header. Not that. Edit project edit. Go to. You can see over there.
Hold on. I don't see anywhere project edit.
Top. The top one. The toppest one. Top of your screen.
That is project definition, right? One is project definition, is details and overview. Where is the
Top
edit?
screen. Top of the screen.
Oh, okay. Edit. Okay, I'm sorry.
Mhm. Status
Uh-huh.
release.
Release.
Yeah. The status got changed. System
Yes.
status got changed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Save it. If you didn't save this now, all the configuration got lost.
Oh,
So every time you made whatever the changes, you need to save that.
okay.
Okay. So we created project profile. We created scheduling profile. Now we are going to create a network profile. Go to the OPSC. OPSC.
OPSC.
C. C for center. Center. C for center. OPSC.
C.
Yeah. So here, go back, go back, go back. Go back, slash in, place slash in.
Uh-huh.
Again, OPSC. Yeah, enter. There is no standard data showing over here, na?
Mm. In this system, whatever I purchased from India, and in this system, there is no data. I have to create everything manually,
Okay, so
everything from the scratch.
go to the new entry. So is it ECC or S4HANA?
This is S4 HANA. I do have ECC6 server as well, but this is on S4 HANA.
Okay. Okay, go to the new entry. Okay, so maintain the projects or assign the project system PS01.
PS01.
Yeah. So use of this pro order type now I will explain you in future. So
Okay.
description, make network with header assignment.
Header assignment, right?
Yeah. Okay. Click
Mhm.
on the planning. Click on the planning tab. So reorganization, residence time 2 months, assign 2 months, 2 months and 4 months. 2 months resident time to 4 months. Settlement profile, no need to assign. Don't assign the settlement, or you can assign. Go to the settlement profile, assign the network 60. Go to the drill down option.
Yeah, I go to the round option. We can go to 20 because I remember I created 20.
You created what?
Yes, that is a standard just for internal order.
Come down.
Do you want me to assign 20 or do you want me to assign something else or just leave it?
Assign 20.
Okay.
Come down. Come back. Come back. Go to the status profile column.
Mhm. We created LS 100 yesterday.
No, a status profile for the network. You can check over there. Status profile for the network. Come down. Come down. PS. Come down. Come down.
It's not anymore, only few, only these 20 entries are there only.
Okay, just assign that whatever we created now. Assign first one, internal orders.
Okay, hold on.
Assign first one, internal orders. Okay.
Mhm.
Now save that. Save it.
Okay.
Create one PS02. Create again. Go back. Save it and go back. We will create two network type.
You said PS,
OPSC.
OPSC.
Check that you whatever the project network type you created, that is completed or not. If that is over there, so don't
Yeah.
do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Is it there? It is there
Yeah,
now.
it is there. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go back. Go back. So network profile. Why we use network profile? Na? Network type. I will explain you in next procedure. Note it down each and every points now. So
Okay.
now click network profile. That is network type. Now we are going to use network profile.
Mm-hmm.
Click that network profile OPUU. The T code is OPUU.
Okay.
Go to the new entry. See, here you can see the network parameter plant, network type. So previously we created the network type. Okay, go to the
Mm-hmm.
network and whatever you created, just select over there. PS01, find out. PS01.
01, correct.
So uh, release view, go to the release view procedure, select one.
Hold on. Release.
So here you can see that plant tab. Now why, you can ask me why we are keeping that blank. So plant we are keeping blank. Once you activate the plant over here now, so whenever you are going to create the project now, or whenever you are going to raise the material purchase requisition, against that plant only we can raise the material. But suppose
Oh, okay.
we are going to purchase that, we need to fill the manually over there now. So the planner group, material MRP controlling group and plant group, we are keeping that blank. While creating the project,
Okay.
while actual things, we are going to assign manually over there. Okay.
Okay.
So things.
Okay. Here we need to give the project profile, network profile, right?
So network profile, that we have to assign. Yeah, name. Don't. You can see that release.
Oops, oops, sorry.
No issue. So
Yeah, sir.
go to the previous tab, network.
I cannot go, I think, because this is graphic profile. It's the
Okay,
required field.
select that PS. Assign PS graphic profile
PS,
in the graphic profile PS. This is nothing for the one. This is nothing for the graph only, graphical purpose. Assign PS.
PS. Anything?
Yeah, PS network is there, no?
Yeah, yes, PS network.
Yeah. In the network column over there, select network.
Mhm.
In the release display, write down network. In the release display and display option, assign one over there. And each that field na color sub network color for the dogs assign green type green. Same as below. In capital.
In capital letter?
Yeah, go to the drill down option and you can find that. Select anyone.
Oh, there is green one, green. Okay, this is green. Okay.
Select anyone. This is for the graphical purpose only. In last 3 tab also, color milestone, color format, color elements.
Same green.
Same green, same. Whatever you want, you can check. Okay, now come to the profile planning board. Go to the drill down option.
Am I on the right screen? Yes, am I on the right screen?
Press enter. Press enter.
Okay.
Go to the release view.
Release view. Okay.
Release view. See, there is an option now. Procedure. Select that one.
The successor, right?
Procedure, first one.
Oh, okay.
Come down. So first of all, you can see right hand side na. Right hand side. Select that entry tool. It will be required. Select that entry tool. Be required creating the project na. Summarizing also and project summary is required. Yes, it is also required. Apart from the IPE project release na, select everyone. Just align finance date also. Select that also. Yeah. Come to the field key. Left hand side.
Okay. Okay.
Go to the drill down option. Whenever you got confused, na, then what is the use of this profile? So do one thing. Go click on that tab and select F/F1. Control F1. Press Control F1.
In my computer, it works with the function F1.
Yeah, sorry, function F1. Sorry. So you can find out. You know as well.
It says user defined fields.
Yeah. So select field key. Go to the drill down option. Okay. So
field key is saying the user defined key.
Yeah. So go to the drill down option. Select first one.
No, there is no value in field key.
Okay, so we need to define. We'll define that. Okay. Check that WBS accounting.
WBS accounting. Hold on. Where it is WBS accounting?
See, there is the option no check available. Assign that the warning message. Select W. Exit with warning.
No, I don't see. Hold on. Where is WBS?
Check WBS account.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to drill down option.
Exit with warning.
Yeah. Account increment. Go to the top. Go to the top. Account increment. One step
Account
up from.
increment. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Drill down. Drill down.
No, there is
Select.
no drill down.
No option. Assign
No.
triple. Assign 0001.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the graphics.
Graphics. Okay.
See overall profile ID. You can see over there.
Overall profile ID. Okay, hold on.
Last one. The last one.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Go to the drill down option. So there is no need to create that. We will use standard one. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So select SAP PS underscore Z007.
SAP G, this one.
PS SAP PS
Underscore
Z
G00. Uh-huh.
for the network.
This is the one.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
select that. Go to the first one, profile planning board.
Uh-huh.
Go to the SAP PS underscore network NW 0001.
No,
Select.
there is nothing.
Click that now. There will be.
It says no value found.
Okay, save it. Save it. Control key. Go to the control key. Assign PS01. Assign PS01.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the normal duration. Assign day. And the calculation key we have to assign maintain manually. Select day. DAY. Calculation key assign 0.
Mm-hmm.
So see, basically the network profile why we are using now. So while we are assigning the network, we have to create the activity. While creating the
Okay.
WBS element, while creating the material procurement, you remember that time we have option of internally activity, cost activity, service activity, and external activity. So there are four kind of activity we can create. So in internal activity, we can assign the material for the internal uses. In external service activity, we can assign we can raise the service PR and PO. Service PR we
Okay.
can raise. So this is nothing but the network we are using for the separate profile for the separate network type we can use. So this is nothing but the network profile against the network profile we are assigning the network type just for the creation of activity. Can know the sequencing of the activity, it is used for that only. So next
Okay.
one, general cost activity. Go to the control key.
Control key. Okay.
So in a standard there is PS03, general cost
PS.
activity. Select
Correct.
PS general cost activity. Okay. In service, select network internal processing for costing. Control key. Select. So once here material group, purchasing group, unit measure you can assign over there. No, you can see the column
Mm-hmm.
material group, purchasing group. So when creating the activity na, it will fetch directly from here. So we are keeping
Oh,
that
okay.
blank. We can assign over there manually. While creating the activity na, we will assign over
Mm-hmm.
there manually. If you assign the make the configuration here now, like the material group in the first column also. So then while creating that, it will fetch directly. So external
Okay.
process activity. Here it is also asking about the material activity and material group. So if you want to raise the purchase requisition, it will ask about the purchasing group and purchasing organization and the material group and the material number. So if you assign
Mm-hmm.
over there for that suppose in external processed activity you assign the material group. So against that material group, whatever the material is that in the material group na, that only you can purchase over there. Suppose
Okay.
we have more than one purchase material group, so what we can do, we can use only one material group now if we assign over there over here. So that's why we are keeping
Mhm.
it blank, that we can use multiple material groups while creating, while
Mhm.
raising the purchase. Okay.
Mhm.
So external proceed activity, go to the PS02, PS02, external processing. Select.
Mhm.
So here, if you want, you can assign the currency also. Select the currency. If you want, you can maintain the currency. If you don't want, so you can keep that blank.
Mhm.
So in USA, it is 11:15 morning.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
Because what happened last night, my friend's mom passed away, and
Oh,
like her mom is in India. She is here with me. So we were awake like till 4 a.m. in this morning.
okay, okay, okay. So just let me know if you want to wind up now. Let me know.
Yeah, this is PS03 is saying invalid control key. Can we check it again?
Check that.
Yeah, PS03. Yeah, it's here.
Check that. Enter. Press enter. Okay, we need to check that. Keep it blank. Keep it blank.
Okay.
We need to get that. Check that.
Let's say PS04 also is giving error message.
No, no, don't assign over there. No, that is for the service. Okay, for the service now assign PS04 over there. PS04. That is for the service now. Press enter.
It's not letting me assign.
What is the error it is showing?
Yeah, it is showing. If I go here and I say PS04,
Hmm.
it is there. You see?
Only PS01 it is taking, na?
Yes, only PS01 it is it took, right?
So remove that also. Remove that also. Check PS02 is working or not.
Yeah, PS02 is working. So
Okay, we need to check.
PS03 and
So
yeah,
just
and PS04.
remember one thing. Note down anywhere. For the service network key, control key, we didn't create it in the network profile. In network
Uh-huh.
profile, the service control key is in pending. Just write down somewhere. So while
Yeah, I write it down.
creating the program, we'll definitely going to get the error. So at that time, at least we remember that this is the pending configuration. We'll look back on the control key master data. We'll check that. So right now, for now, just save it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So control key. Mhm. Let's check the control key now. Open another PC. What is the wrong with the control key? We'll check OPSU. Another open page.
OPSC?
Check what happened.
No, this is the another thing. This is OPSC. What transaction code did you say?
Hello, Rupal.
Hello? Yes, your voice is breaking. Hello?
OPSU. This is network type you create.
OPSU.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
OPSU.
Yeah, OPSU. Okay.
OPSU.
Okay. And I go to PS03.
Control key PS01. PS01. Check that. Check the internal.
PS01.
Double click on PS01.
Mm-hmm.
Internal processing. You can see the internal processing.
Correct.
Open that, double click that.
Yeah, I did.
No, I'm not. I can't able to see the screen. Is it open?
Yeah, it is open.
No, but I'm seeing the first screen only.
See?
You can see. So check that the configuration, no?
Configuration, scheduling, capacity requirement cost, print time, confirmation.
Okay, go back and check that configuration PS03. What is the error with that? PS04, sorry, service. Check that service. PS04, internal processing and costing. Activate that. You can see cost, general cost allocation. Click on that.
Hold on. Where is the general cost allocation?
There is a
Okay,
column
okay.
service. You can see
Uh-huh.
the column service column is there.
Service column, yes.
Activate that and save it.
It says you cannot set indicator for both external processing and general cost.
Okay, just click on general cost. So for the external processing, okay, open that, save it and open that OPUU, the previous page. So for the general cost, okay, for the general cost, go to the OP, not OPSA, OPUU. Rupal OPUU.
Yes, I'm there. Okay, hold on. OPUU screen. This is one screen.
Go to the no, this is the project profile screen, no OPSA.
Okay, let me, yeah, hold on.
This is the project profile screen. Yeah. So this is the external processed activity. So we are using for the external process PS02. Okay. Go to the
Yes.
back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
I closed that screen.
No. Go. Achha, come back. Come back. The first screen. Come back. In the service assign now. PS04. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do anything. Stop. You can see the
Uh-huh.
service control key. Assign PS04.
Okay.
PS04. Assign over there. Now try
Uh-huh.
to save. Try to save.
Yeah, it got saved.
So we are not getting the error, na?
Yes, we are not getting.
Control key also we created. So note it down. OPSU is a control key.
OPSU is for control key.
I
Okay.
think I need to explain why we control key we use.
Mm-hmm.
So the control key for the external processing, it controls the external processing activities, and PS01 it controls the internal processing activities. PS04 it controls the internal processing costing. And if you want to check what kind of configuration in control key, you can go through the control key tab, decode OPSU. Go to the OPSU. Go to the OPSU.
Yes, I'm there.
Check anyone PS01, PS02, PS04, whatever we use, what is the configuration under there. So the indicators is scheduling. It controls, basically this is a control key. It control what it is. It control the scheduling against the network or against the activity. It control the cost. It control the like print confirmation and confirmation required. Confirmation activity it's controlled. So confirmation activity I will explain you later. Confirmation activity is nothing but that is the use of work center. So against the work center, if you know the CO part, controlling part, you know that activity type we are defining. Okay.
Correct.
Hmm? So under the activity type, suppose we mention, suppose we for the any process, okay, or suppose activity type for the wages, for the labor charge. One activity type we create name of labor charge, and we assign the charges amount 200 rupees for one labors, okay, and that activity type is linked with the cost center, and that cost center is linked with the work center. Is it possible?
Okay.
Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
with the help of that, now open CJ20N again. Another page. Don't close this page. Don't close this page. Open CJ20N.
So my project is already created. So I just go to the project, new project, or I can find from here.
Okay, you can't do that. Uh, let me explain you later. No? Actually, there is no
Okay.
budget, there is no network profile, so we can't create. So what I'm trying to show you now, I try to show you the by creating one internal activity, and we are going to assign that work center under the work.
Okay.
So okay, fine. So just note down work center to just noted the point work center. We'll discuss. If I forgot that now, just keep me remember the work center part.
Okay.
And from the CO side, I just want to you want from your side to create one work center under the work center, the name of main power, create one activity type along with the cost center, and for the activity, that activity type assign any amount for the day wise. Okay. Like suppose one day assigned 200 rupees, so only we have to fill there the duration like 5 days, that work center, and under the work center that activity type is already there. So when we are going to assign the work center, the activity type directly going to be fetched over there. Only we have to assign the day. Suppose a man work for 10 days and the one day wages is 200 rupees, so that 2000 rupees is going to be deducted from WBS elements. So when we are going to confirm that activity. So this is the requirement of the confirmation, which you can see under the control tab. Go to the previous page. Go to the previous page. See, here you can see that confirmation required.
Yes.
So
Correct.
this also take control of the activity confirmation. Okay, so once you link your work center with the cost center, and under the cost center the activity type is there, with the help of that activity type we can capture internal cost. Suppose for the salaried person we are paying a fixed salary. Okay, the recurring entries, in effect terms we can say the recurring entries. So whatever the recurring entries you are having now, we can capture against our WBS elements. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Got the point? So for
Yes, I
that you
got the point.
need to capture against our work center, and the work center need to be that internal activity need to be confirmed. So once you confirm that activity, that amount going to be captured. Okay.